Hey everyone, this is Dr. Daphne here at HealthFit, and today in this video I want to cover something else about the side hip pain. So have you ever had some hip pain on the side? Mainly the most common ones I've heard of when you first wake up in the morning, when you go to sleep at night, you're feeling some pulling on the side here that goes down into your knee. Chances are your hips are tight. So let's go over some things that could be causing this, okay? If you're sitting for a long period of time, I'm gonna grab a chair, and you're sitting like this, and if your work basically requires you to be at a computer a lot, or maybe you're doing some desk work, your hips here are gonna have that bend, right? There are lots of muscles around the hip. There's muscles in the front of your thigh, side of your hip here, back of your hip. If you're staying still in a long period of time, they're gonna get a little bit stiff and you're gonna feel like they're a little bit tight. So if you're spending about 8 hours a day in a chair like this, chances are you might have some hip tightness on your side. So if you're feeling some discomfort on the side of the hip, a good way to test it is to see what happens when you have your feet and you're sitting down here and you cross your leg over like this or like this and you're feeling some of that tightness on the side. Or maybe if you're here, you're gonna have one foot behind you, one foot in front, and seeing how that feels to stretch in the opposite direction, okay? Usually if you're here, you're gonna feel that tightness on the side. To do the other side, you cross your feet the other way and go on this side. If you're feeling some pulling and some discomfort there, chances are the sides of your hips are tight. So what you can do is just that. So you're gonna take one foot, stretch out to the side here, go back and forth a little bit, get that part moving, right? And then see how it feels after a few reps. If it feels better, great. That means you just gotta stretch. Another thing you can try to do is you can take a tennis ball, lacrosse ball, something that you have at home to help with massaging. You can feel, we're gonna head over to the wall over here. You can take this, put it against the side of your hip where you're feeling that tightness and lean into the wall with it. And if you want more pressure, you can put this on the floor and lean on the floor in the same way. So that way you can kind of get into those muscles and you're able to feel the tightness there. If you're feeling some pressure and a little bit of discomfort, you're probably hitting the right spot. The only way to find that, or the best way to actually find that spot, is to bend your hip here, find that crease where it kind of bends right there, put the ball in that crease, and then lean into the wall with it, okay? So after that, we're always gonna test and retest, right? So we're gonna come back over here. And so let's test that again. We're gonna put your foot and come over and see how that feels now. And if it feels better, yes, then you did the right thing for yourself, got your hips moving a little bit more and it feels better. However, if you still have some discomfort there, there's something else going on in the hip you gotta take a closer look at, which can be explained in one of the other 2 over hip videos. You go take a look. But after watching those and you're feeling some discomfort still in the hip and you have questions, we're so happy to help you. Leave a comment down below or give us a call. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we hope you have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe button, please.